Alright, what's up everybody? What's up YouTube? We are here at the Echo Canyon rest area. We are going to place some good drone footage of a train that went by here. I'm actually rolling by here thinking I'm actually going to do a live feed here, which of course will probably be after or before this video, but anyway, you know, it's one of them things. So we're going to try to get some footage here, y'all, and see how this goes. So let's see. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get us some pictures because I need to see these pictures, y'all. Hopefully I can get something to get a picture of me up in front of the canyon. I hope. We'll see. But yeah, you know, it's one of them things, y'all. But it's gorgeous out here. Oh, cool. Now, I actually saw on the things where they showed chipmunks. So I guess these are the holes where the chipmunks are, where gophers come out of. But yeah, y'all, we've got all this prettiness here. Y'all look, you'll see the railroad tracks. Of course, we got a guy in a pickup zooming on down here somewhere down there. But I caught a train coming across, and I've got drone footage of the train going by there. But let's see here. All right, y'all. See, we are here. We are at the thingy here. We have truck stop, or it's a rest area up there. We're gonna take that trail up there in a little bit because there's something up there that we want to catch. All right, y'all. All these are the gopher or chipmunk holes, I guess. They are everywhere here. So I guess they live. Actually, somebody took a picture of one of them with his head popping out and posted it on the thing, so I thought that was absolutely kind of cool. But we're gonna come up here. Wow, man, these holes are everywhere. We're gonna come up here because there's a stagecoach up here. Walking up here, and you get that higher elevation. There's a bull or something up there. So yeah, like I say, I've got time to kill on this load, so that's why I'm taking time to do all this, because normally I don't have a bunch of time to kill. Normally I'm bam 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 bam, but since I do have it, oh my lord, this is a workout coming up this hill. This is one steady grade. You see, that's where I was. You can see the nice beautiful hills. Oh man, the Chuggamatru tracks right there. And of course somebody's up here. Oh man, it's tiring, y'all. Should have brought my phone. Oh, this is gonna be a good picture. But there's where the trucks are. Way down there. Do not sit. Alright, y'all, check out the view. The view is absolutely awesome. That right there is I-80 coming in, and then like 2 miles is I-84 headed up towards Ogden, Utah. If you keep going straight, and just past that right there is the actual turn. So it's not even 2 miles to get onto I-84 headed towards Ogden, Utah, or you can go straight. That'll take you to Salt Lake City. I guess they're working on this one here. Well, yeah, the view is absolutely gorgeous. I've never stopped here. I've ridden by here many times, but I've never stopped. Like I say, the canyon views are just gorgeous.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the drive